Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at adding comments. Adding comments in Excel is very easy. I mean, the comments are at a cell level, so you put some kind of a note to yourself or to the people whom you share with, about that particular cell. To add a note to your cell, to say the comment to your cell, it's very simple. Just select the cell, right click on it and say insert comment. And once you go there, you can insert whatever comment that is appropriate for the cell. That's it. We just added a comment to the cell F3. Now, as you can see, once a comment is added to a cell, you have a red triangle at the corner, top right corner. That's an indicator that cell has a comment. Now, when you hover your mouse over the cell, it automatically, displays you the comment. From here, on this sheet, you can see we have a few comments here. There's one here, 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 and here. As you move your mouse onto the cell, you actually see the comment. There's another way to kind of view these comments as well. Go to the review tab. You could do next. It kind of goes through those comments. When it reaches to the end, that's where it is. It displays you a message, the dialog box. Then the next, it kind of goes through these comments. You can also do show all comments, which will display all the comments. Now again, if you have a lot of comments on your spreadsheet, it might not be a good option to do that and look at all the comments. You might want to just use option of next and previous. Well, that's it about the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Deleting a comment is very easy. All you do is select the cell that has a comment where you want to delete it. Select the cell, right click on it, and select delete comment. Click it, the comment is gone. Now, in order to edit an existing comment, it's the same thing, same procedure, pretty close to that. You right click on it, instead of delete comment, you would pick edit comment, and that will display you the comment box in edit mode. You make changes as you like here, and click anywhere outside the comment box and the comment gets saved. You can also resize the comment box based on your need while editing, and just finish your editing, click outside the comment box, and it is saved. Okay,